Hi beautiful, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to talk about my ride or die, my favorite, my must-have Fenty beauty products. I'm going to be doing a full face with all of my favorite products from Fenty. I have them all lined up here in front of me. Fenty beauty products have been a staple part of my makeup collection since the brand came out years ago. And not only do I have products in my collection that I have purchased over and over again from Fenty, but a lot of the new products they come out with also become an integral part of my makeup routine. So obviously I'm very excited and incredibly grateful that Fenty Beauty is partnering with me in today's video. Right now Fenty is doing their Fenty Fam annual sale and I have an early access for you, but not only that, I also have a special discount code with which you can get 30% off site-wide. This is before the actual sale begins in a couple of days. And once the sale begins, the discount for everyone is going down to 25%. So the best and most affordable way to get your Fenty beauty products is going to be with my discount code, which is PATTY30. PATTY30 will save you 30% off of your purchase for the next 2 days only, from March 18th to March 19th. So I'm thrilled that I'll be getting you guys not just an early access, but also an extra discount just for being my viewer. So if you're interested in shopping the Fenty Fam sale, make sure you head down to the description box of this video, click on the link below and use code PATTY30 for your savings. And so without further ado, let me go ahead and share with you my must-have top favorite Fenty beauty products. One of the things I love most about Fenty Beauty is that they've always thought of everyone when it came to their makeup line. From the beginning, from their first launch, they revolutionized the makeup industry by launching a ton of different shades of foundation with tons of undertones in mind so that every single person could have their perfect Fenty Beauty match. But also, as the brand has grown and after its initial success, they have also included different skin types into their mix. And I've noticed that they've expanded their collection throughout the years to be even more inclusive. I'm saying all of this to say one of the newest products from Fenty that I've tried is their hydrating primer that came out a few months ago. And they have the Grip Trip Hydrating Primer, which is what I'm about to use because my skin is super dry, but they also have the Grip Trip Mattifying and Blurring Primer for those of you who have combination or oily skin. Now this hydrating primer, if you have desert dry skin like mine, it's like a burst of hydration for the dry skin. It feels cooling upon application. It doesn't have any smell to it. As you can see, it gives you a beautiful radiant glow, but it doesn't feel suffocating on the face. It is very lightweight. It sinks right into the skin and it leaves my dry skin with the perfect amount of hydration and ready for makeup products. Also, the finish texture of it, while not necessarily being sticky, does grip perfectly at any makeup you're going to throw on top, and it keeps your makeup lasting all day. So if you haven't checked out the Grip Trip Hydrating Primer yet, I highly recommend that you do. Now, as far as complexion coverage products, I have two that I have to talk about, and I could certainly apply just the foundation and be very happy. But one of my all-time favorite products that Fenty has ever launched is this right here, and mine looks kind of busted because I've had it for a while and I love it. This is the Fenty Ease Drop Blur and Smooth Tint Stick, and this is truly one of the best stick products I have ever tried. This is a no makeup type product for me. It immediately covers my redness, it blurs my pores, it has a natural to matte finish, but it's still a hydrating product. It never makes me look dry, and you can use it as your no makeup product, or you can even use it as a little bit of a base, a little bit of a primer to blur out your pores before you go on with foundation. And that is the way that I'm going to use it today, very lightly. I like to smooth it on with my fingers because I feel like it's the best way to get all of my pores blurred, and you can immediately see the difference that makes on my skin, and why I'm telling you it's a perfect no makeup product. Because if you just apply a little bit of it and work it in with your fingers, your pores are going to be instantly blurred. The redness that might be bothering you is going to be greatly diminished. And for a no makeup day, if you have redness like I do and you just don't feel like showing up pinky cheeked everywhere you go, this is is enough, and you don't have to do anything else to it. You don't have to cover further. You don't have to set this with anything because it looks like healthy, glowy skin. And in countless occasions, I have left my house just like this, and it's a huge improvement from when I first started filming the video. Just with a little bit of this product in the center of the face. So needless to say, it is a favorite of mine and one that I highly recommend. But then as far as like actual foundations go for like a glamorous effect on the face, my favorite product they have ever launched is this right here. This is the Fenty Beauty Soft Lit Foundation. I have mine in shade 185, and this foundation performs exactly like my favorite types of foundations perform on my dry skin. It is a thin, lightweight product that sinks right into my skin. It covers all of my redness beautifully with a stunning medium coverage. It doesn't have a matte finish or an overly glowy finish. It has a natural finish to it that looks like real skin. It never dries out my face. It stays looking the same all throughout the day until I take it off at night. It has incredible lasting power. Truly one of my favorite foundations in my entire collection. And this foundation is also the reason I was going on the rant earlier about how they included everyone in their new product launches, because the original Pro Filter Soft Matte Foundation that they came out with was incredible for a lot of different complexions, but my very dry skin did look a little bit more matte looking than I would have preferred with that other formula, yet this formula is perfection on us dry girlies, you know? So my point is, I love it. Let me show you how beautiful this looks, and I just like to do one pump on each cheekbone and one in the center of the forehead, and I'm going to use my Fenty sponge to blend it out. I feel like I have no need to convince you further. Take a look, freshly applied, without any bronzer or setting powder or anything like that, how this foundation looks on my complexion, and I promise you it stays pretty much looking this amazing all throughout the day. I do like to set the center of my face a little bit, which I'll do in a second, but the coverage, as you can see, is incredible. My pores are diminished, my redness is fully gone. I also applied a little bit more than I needed to today because I was not taking into account the fact that I had already blurred my redness with this one, so I could definitely have gone with less product today. But also you can apply more and build this foundation up to a full coverage if you need to. They also have two different types of concealer, and if your skin is dry like mine, you need to go for this one right here. This is the Fenty We're Even Hydrating Longwear Waterproof Concealer. I have mine in the shade 185 Cool. This concealer comes in 50 different shades, and it has a beautiful coverage. It's thin, it sinks right in. It gives me all of the hydration I need whilst beautifully covering my under eye circles, and is a very long-lasting concealer as well. So I have no notes for it. It is a beautiful product. Also, whatever shade of foundation you grab, you can use the same shade of concealer. I have 185 in both of mine, and as you can see, the concealer is just a hair lighter than the foundation, so it gives your under eyes a little bit of a brightened effect, which is fantastic. I'm going to be using their setting powder to set all throughout my face. I have the shade Butter 02, and I meant to mention at the beginning of the video that if you end up purchasing different items from this Fenty Fam sale, they do have a 3-piece gift with purchase with a purchase of $125 or more. So with a 30% site-wide discount, this is the perfect time to stock up on all of your favorite Fenty products. Time for bronzer, and this Fenty Beauty Cream Bronzer right here in shade 02 Butter Biscuit looks incredible on my skin tone. I'm going to apply it with a Fenty brush. This is their foundation brush, but I can definitely use it for bronzer as well. I love this bronzer color a lot because, as you can see, it gives me a good amount of bronziness while still being on the natural, neutral side. It blends beautifully, and if you need a little bit extra color anywhere, you can build it up really nicely as well. I'm going to go on the sides of my nose too, so that it doesn't look pale in comparison to the rest of my face. And then let's go for the cheeks. I also love that this one has a natural finish to it. You don't have to set it with any powder or anything. You can just leave it the way it applies. Fenty also has powder bronzers if you're more into powder bronzers than creams, but today I'm just applying this one. Lastly, let's do the jawline. And here's that bronzer fully applied. Now, when it comes to blush, nothing beats this blush color for me from Fenty. This is their Fenty Beauty Suede Powder Blushes, and this This one in particular is in the shade Baking Cakes 01, and I love it because it is like a little bit rosy, but it also has a lot of brown in there and it looks so natural. This is one of those blushes that you can definitely use even if you don't love blush, because it's just going to add a little bit more color to the face without making you look rosy or pink. It just has this beautiful natural tan to it. Honestly, a really good blush for summer, and as you can see, it builds up and blends out beautifully. I'm going to add some of this color to my eyes because I think it's going to look so good on my crease as well. And I'm just applying it with a nice fluffy brush. This blush color from Fenty makes all of the difference. Now I want to make it so that it kind of mixes in with the eyeshadow. So we're going to put blush right up to the outer third of my lashes right here with a smaller brush. I'm taking the blush all the way to the outer third of my under eye, and then from there we are doing a wash of blush into the crease, because again, this blush color is so beautiful and you can build it up if you need to. Check it out right there. That's the look we're going for. See? Blush on the eyes, no blush on the eyes. Looks so nice. Can you tell I've done this before? I love this blush color too much. I grabbed an even smaller blending brush to add a bit more of that blush shade to the outermost corner of the eyelid. And I'm even blending it under a bit. Check it out. I love how cohesive and monochromatic this is looking. Now I have another product that I want to use on my cheeks today. And this one is one that when I worked at the store doing makeup on people, I would put it on everyone when it first came out because it is such a wonderful and unique product. This is technically, I think, a highlighter, but you can use it so many different ways. This is fairy dust powder, okay? That is what this is. I know it doesn't look like much on the pan, but let me show you how this swatches. This is the Fenty Beauty Diamond Balm in How Many Carats 01. That's the shade, How Many Carats. And take a look right here at how stunning this product is. It looks like shining diamonds on the skin. You can put this on your body, you can put this on your lips, you can put this anywhere you want, and it looks incredible. Today we are going to put it two places. We're going to put a little bit of it on the highest point of the cheekbone for a little bit of a diamond glow up there because it's such a stunning powder. But then I also want to do a little bit of it on the eyes as well. I was thinking maybe the lips, but I don't want to get carried away. So check it out right here on the temple area and like the highest part of the cheekbone. And as you can see, it's so finely milled that even though it has glittery sparkles throughout, it does not enhance your texture. It's truly a miracle diamond powder. Check it out right there. No texture was enhanced in the process of applying highlighter today. So let me just go ahead and apply it on the other side. Let's keep going because with a flat brush, I want to put this on the innermost corner of the eye. But then I also want to bring it in so that we have a really nice wash of stardust on our eyelids as well. Next, I'm going to apply the Fenty Beauty Fly Liner, and I'm going to do a half wing with it. My eyes are pretty hooded on the outer part right here, so I draw the outer tip first and then I fill it in, and because I want my eyelid space to show up as much as possible, I don't go all the way in. I do a half wing. Wings done. This eyeliner from Fenty gives you tons of precision, which is incredible, and so it is time for mascara. My favorite Fenty mascara is this one right here. This is the Hella Thick mascara from Fenty, and it truly gives you hella thick lashes. So let me just go ahead and put this one on. Here's what the mascara looks like fully applied. And all we have left to do as far as this makeup look is concerned is some lips. And Fenty does lip products really well. My current lip obsession from Fenty are the Gloss Bomb Sticks. These two right here being my favorite shades. I love these because they give your lips a lot of hydration. They look extremely juicy. They have a medium wash of color to them, and they truly feel and make your lips look incredible. So this is, as far as lip products are concerned, my most recommended one. This one here is shade 04, Is It Fussy, which is one of my favorites. And my other favorite is this one here, which is called Blaze Dawn, and it is like a cool tone ink type shade. You can see how glowy those look, and I'm of course about to show you how glowy they look on the lips as well. If you are interested in lip liners, Fenty also has really good lip liners. My favorite shade is Riri 01, which honestly goes well with both of these. And then the other one I really love is shade 04 Peanut Butter, which is a mid-tone brown shade. And I think I'm going to apply that one today. Last but not least, when it comes to lip products, I feel like their most iconic product is the gloss bombs, which are these right here. They have the jumbo applicator, lots of shine, and they are an incredible gloss product. Today I'm going to apply the lip liner in the shade Peanut Butter. So here's that lip liner applied, and now my favorite part, which is the gloss bomb stick, this one in the shade Is It Fussy. And check it out, this right here is the finished look. Whenever I use a gloss bomb stick, I don't feel the need to use a gloss over top because this is already really lovely and shiny. And so here is my full face with all of my favorite Fenty Beauty makeup products. Now Fenty isn't just a makeup brand anymore. They also have a hair care line, and they have a skincare line that includes things for the face. And since this is a great opportunity for you to get your Fenty products with an amazing discount, I wanted to mention my favorite hair care products and my favorite skincare products from Fenty. By far my favorite thing skincare wise they've come out with is this magical tub right here. This is the Fenty Butter Drop, and this is a fantastic body butter, body moisturizer. For a body butter, this feels extremely lightweight. It sinks right into the skin. You don't have to be rubbing it for a long time. It just absorbs very quickly, and it leaves your skin with the most stunning glow to it. It is a fantastic product. Also, even though it has a bit of a scent to it, it's not heavily scented. It's truly a wonderful body butter, so I highly recommend this one. And when it comes to hair care products, I have two things from Fenty Hair that have become part of my hair care routine. First, this right here. This is the Fenty The Protective Type 5-in-1 Heat Protectant Styler. Whenever I wash my hair, this is the first thing I put on to protect my hair from heat damage and also hydrated. It is in a cream form, and it leaves my hair feeling wonderful and very shiny. And then the other product I love from them, I use a little bit unconventionally. Their Water Boy is a reparative leave-in conditioning spray, and you can spray it on damp hair and use as a detangler. However, I don't use it that way because I don't need detangling products. The way I use it, and I'll show you because I did it today, so I recorded it, is whenever I want to freshen up the way my hair looks, I spray this through my hair, and then I go in with my blow dryer, and just look at this before and after. It leaves my hair looking freshly washed, even if it isn't freshly washed, which is the case today. So also another lovely hair care product from Fenty Hair. Alright, I am done with all of my Fenty recommendations. Remember, March 18th and 19th, you have early access and can get a 30% off the Fenty Beauty website with my code PATTY30. And then starting on March 20th, the sale goes live to everyone else, and the discount comes down to a 25% off. So definitely take this opportunity to restock on all of your Fenty favorites. If you guys like today's video, don't forget to please give it a thumbs up. Before you leave, I have everything I just mentioned linked in the description box below, so definitely check it out. A huge thanks to Fenty Beauty for sponsoring today's video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you back in the next one. Bye bye.